Our African women are king. Our African women are king. Our festival, our festival.
I am Lamoi, a Jamaican-born wild woman, an award-winning spoken word artist, published author, arts curator, and arts educator. I have been professionally writing and performing for over a decade, and my art empowers all who make room for it to be the highest versions of themselves and remain there. Welcome to the movement. Welcome to the emancipation from darkness and dark consciousness. Welcome to the emanation of negative pressure breathing, of oxygen and carbon dioxide giving permission to dreaming and chasing dragons that kill, that steal, and that destroy. Welcome to the 75% H2O ordaining the powers that be, giving 2 feet and a heartbeat to the movement. Welcome to the consummation and the beautiful beginnings of all things, where saints and evils battle all things. Aspirations suffocate this belief in all things, where fantasies and pains result from all things. The tight, winding passage of bright nights and darker days, of wailing cries and insanes of laughter and reverent silence. Beautiful people, welcome to just remaining. Be entertained by this impatient progress, where the sun rises and falls regardless of our decision to live or just be, where the grass moves on from our footsteps and moments erase our scent from its skin. Accept this. Be pushed to mobility and call it a glorious thing that the Creator's design doesn't wait for us, cannot be put on hold for us. When we are going through our named, claimed, and medicated journeys, when pain threatens to buckle our knees, trip us up, and push us down, the earth keeps rotating. And we are still called to be useful, because this movement is designed to push us, to motivate us, to inspire us to not merely exist, but to be vital, because the truth is, merely existing is boring. You are boring, and then you die, and no one remembers you. Not even that square inch of life you once occupied. I love that this movement doesn't wait on us, because if it did, we would all be lazy procrastinators, content with depending on tomorrows and laters and fat from our own morbid existence. So welcome to the movement, the locomotion, the 2 feet and a heartbeat. The lessons, the failures, but the achievements. The race you run where death is always the finish line, so get moving or die left standing. Forward, always, backward, never. Forward, always, backward, never. Forward, always, backward, never. Where being alive is the ultimate action, because to this movement, you are an asset. You are an undisputed reign of glory, making your mark with art. There is none like you, and this movement is your life. This movement is your life. So I stand here in beautiful Niagara Falls, and I open my arms and I say, welcome to the movement. Your voice, the sounds made by your vibrating vocal cords as air moves through your larynx, bringing your vocal cords closer together. Your voice is vibration. It's a reverberation, it's a quake. Your voice is a natural construction, a creation of wonder, a masterpiece of glory to which the universe has already stretched itself to fit. Your voice is a dance, a movement, a choreography between your passion and your nature. Your voice is throat chakra, blue and roaring like the seas, endless like the skies. The most powerful form of connection lies in your voice. Your voice is a renewable resource. You can use it over and over and over again, and it will not run out. And if you take care of it, it will not reduce in power, but only get stronger. So lift your voice. Take the vibration of your passion, move it through the structure of your knowledge while it dances with the atmosphere of your surroundings, and lift your voice. They tell you that you are too young, speak. They tell you that you are too old, speak up. They tell you that you are too different, speak anyways. Not welcome enough, speak. Too scared, speak anyways. Too unsure, still speak. Bring your whole self into the room and lift your voice for self-agency, for advocacy, for culture, for change, for demands, for unity, for love, for peace, for revolutions. Lift your voice for family, for evolution, for education, for security, for equality, for equity, for joy, for acknowledgement, for recognition, for power. Choose to survive by speaking up. God has already stretched the universe just for you. There is room at the table for your voice, and there is room for what you are going to speak. So, lift your voice. Has anyone ever told you that you are black? The kind of black that was here at the beginning and will be here at the end. You are soil. When the Creator called with booming voice and authority all things into being, he stepped down from his seat of massive galaxies to use massive ethereal hands to create you. Even before your time to bless the earth, he created you from the soil that gives birth to all natural, majestic things. You are the kind of black that is necessary for all things to grow. You are necessary for all things to grow. You are the skin of the earth. Everything that you were developed with is necessary to hold all of this together. Don't let anyone ever tell you they do not need you. You are the beautiful flowers and the misunderstood weeds. You are trees that touch the skies and span generations. You are roots that stretch and drink right from the source. You are the source. You hold and contain the source. You produce gems and rocks. You create essential oils and herbs that heal the land. You are the tea that everyone should drink to feel better. You carry ancient memories deep within the pockets of your consciousness, and it is time for you to remember. You do not die, you multiply. You are forever and many days. Has anyone ever told you that you are fearfully and wonderfully made? That before you were knitted together in your mother's womb, your skin was created to absorb the light of the sun. You were not made to burn. The heat cannot scorch you. You are foundation. Strength can be built on you. You were not made to break. Your back was not made to crumble. You were made unbreakable. You are resilient. You cannot quit. They try to bury you, drowning your potential in the very soil of your composition, not smart enough to remember that you are seeds. We are seeds. We are coals that are always diamonds, but it takes fire for their glory to be revealed. You are darkness. You are what the stars need to shine. You are focus and concentration. You are intuition. When the light goes out, your inner knowledge kicks in and your eyes adjust to see what everyone else can't. You are silence and contemplation. You are isolation and awareness. You are knowledge. You are knowing. You are you, and you are all of us. We are Black like Malcolm X, like Muhammad Ali, like Assata Shakur. We are Black like Harriet Tubman. Yes, we mourn the ones that did not know they were slaves, and we go back and we save some more. We are Black like Claudette Colvin. We begin movements, but we are overlooked as trendsetters because our greatness looks less than to small minds, but you are no small thing. You are Black like George Washington Carver, who taught farmers how to replenish their depleted soil by planting peanuts and then gave us peanut butter. We make necessity out of the mediocre. We are Black like Tuskegee Airmen, like runaway slaves, like single parents raising kids and kids, because survival has always been our way. We are Black like uprisings and revolutions. We are Nanny of the Maroons. We are Black Panther pride. We are African women acting. We are Black like community organizations. We are Black like Marcus Garvey, like Bob Marley, like Mandela. We are the offspring of the Creator. Sometimes you are hated by your own until everyone else loves you. We are Black like J. Rosamond Johnson, James Weldon Johnson. We are Black like Maya Angelou, Langston Hughes, like Elijah McCoy, like Miriam Makeba. We are Black like Julie Black, like Michie Me, Jean Augustine, like Maestro Fresh West and Trey Anthony. We are the creators, the storytellers, the history keepers. We are Black like food, soul deep and belly full, like incense and Negro spirituals. We are Black like looking at the stars to tell us our way home. We are Black like byway sneakers and gold hoop earrings, baby hair laid and ebonics. We are Black like ginger ale for stomach aches, bus seat rebellions and Nancy stories and Jerry curl juice on couch backs. I am Black like me, and you are Black like you. Don't let anyone ever tell you that you are not necessary. Don't let anyone ever tell you that you are not necessary. You are, because you are Black.
Our African women are